Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Entrance Examination 2016 Advanced Paper. The sum reads like this. The total number of distinct x element of R for which this is a determinant given, whose values are x, x squared, 1 plus x cube, 2x, 4x squared, 1 plus 8x cube, 3x, 9x squared, 1 plus 27x cube is equals to 10 is. Okay, so here see, we have to find the value of the total number of distinct x which are element of R. This from this determinant whose value is equals to 10. Okay, and here the question is here the answer of this question is any integer. Okay, any integer which is ranging from 0 to 9 including both. Okay, so the answer of this question is a integer which is ranging from 0 to 9 including the 0 and 9 both. Okay, and we have to find that. Okay, so see how we will do. So I am representing this determinant by by delta. Okay, so this delta is equals to x squared, okay, and 1 plus x cube, and here it is equals to 2x 4x squared, and here it is 1 plus 8x cube, and here it is 3x 9x squared, and here it is 1 plus 27x cube, and this is equals to 10. Okay, now see here, now we will expand this determinant and equate it with 10 and find all the possible values of x which are element of real number. Now see here, now there we are seeing that x is common in each element of the first column, and here in the each element of the second column we are seeing x squared common in each element. So taking x common out, okay, so taking x, okay, and x squared common from okay, common out from column 1 and column 2 respectively. Clear? Now see here, so if I am taking x common from all the elements from here, so this will be x and here x squared, so x into x squared will be x cube. Okay, so what will be left here? Here it will be 1 2 3, and here it will be 1 4 9, and here it will be, here I have not taken anything common, so that will be left 1 plus x cube, okay, and here it is 1 plus 8x cube, okay, and 1 plus 27x cube is equals to 0. Now what we will do, we will make here each element of the first column, we will make these two here I will make keep 1, and I will make these two elements of the first column, that is the first element of the second row and the first element of the third row 0 0. Okay, and okay, so then I will expand the determinant in terms of the elements of the first column. Okay, now see here, so what we will do, okay, now I will make this 2 and 3 0. So you will do this, okay, operation. That means from the row 2, this second row, I am row 2 minus row 1. Oh sorry, 2 times row 1. Row, so to make 2 equals to 0, I have to subtract from 2, I have to subtract 2. So 2 minus 2, that is 2 times row 1, and from the row 3, okay, and here from the row 3 what operation we will do, here row 3 minus 3 times row 1. So from 3, if I subtract 3 times 3, it will become 0. And from 2, if I subtract 2 times 1, it will be 0. Okay. So here the determinant will be x cube. Okay. X cube into here first column, first row will be not changed. So it will be same 1, 1 and 1 plus x cube. Okay. And here what will I get? 2 minus 2, 0. So this will become 0. And 3 minus 3, 0. So this will be 0. Okay. And 4 minus 2, twice the first row. Okay. 4 minus 2 will be 2. And 9 minus 3 times 3. Oh, sorry, 3 times 1. So 9 minus 3 times 1 is 9 minus 3, that is 6. Okay. And from 1 plus 8x cube, subtract 2 times this. So 8x cube minus 2x cube. So this is 6x cube. Okay. 6x cube, and from 1 you subtract 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And from this I will subtract 3 times this. So 27x cube minus 3x cube will be 24x cube. Okay. And from 1 you subtract 3 times 1. That is 1 minus 3. That is minus 2. Okay. So that is equals to 10. Now we will expand the determinant in terms of the rows of the in terms of the elements of the first row, or sorry, first column. In terms of the elements of the first column, because here it is 0, 0. So here what we will get? Only 1 into the cofactor of 1. Okay, because this is 0, 0. So its value will be 0. Okay, so this is equals to x cube into 1. Okay, 1, no need of writing 1, or you may write 1 outside. So this will be 2 into this. So this will be 2 into 24 x cube minus 2, and this side minus sign. So minus 6 into 6x cube minus 6x cube. Okay, 6x cube minus 1. Okay, that is equals to 10. Now take 2 common from these two expressions. Okay, so this will become 2x cube. Okay, and then expand it. So this is 24x cube minus 2, and here it is 2 taken out, so here it is 3. So minus 3 into 6 minus 18. Minus 18x cube, and this is 2 common out taken, so it is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 1, is equals to 10. Now divide both the sides with 2. So 2 1 is 2, and here you will get 5. Okay, now expand, simplify this. So what we are getting? X cube into 24x cube minus 18x cube. So that is 6x cube, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, is equals to 5. Okay, so now multiply here. So here we are getting 6 into x cube whole square. Okay, x cube into x cube, I am writing x cube whole square, minus here x cube. Okay, and plus 5 you bring this side, it is minus 5. So this equation is a quadratic equation in the form of x cube. So now let us put x cube as any letter. Okay, suppose A I am putting. Okay, so now you put let x cube is equals to any letter. Okay, by A I am representing x cube. Okay, so let x cube is equals to A. Okay, so what will be the equation then? Then the equation will change into 6. This is A. Okay, so this is A squared minus A minus 5 is equals to 0. So this we have got a equation. Okay, this is changed into the quadratic equation. Okay, now how we will get the values of A? So you will factorize this. So for factorization you have to make a rough column, and here you have to write M and A. And in place of M, what will be the number? The coefficient of A squared and the constant term. So 6 into minus 5. So 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. So for n you will write minus 30. And for a, the coefficient of a, which is minus 1. So this is minus 1. Now you have to find two numbers whose multiplication you should get minus 30 and whose addition you should get minus 1. So these numbers are 6 and 5. Bigger one will be minus. Okay, so this will be minus 6 plus 5. Now multiply minus into plus minus. 6 5 is 30 and add minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So I will break the minus a. I will write minus a as minus 6a and 5a, and the extreme terms I will just write as they are. So this will become 6a squared and minus a, I am writing minus 6a plus 5a minus 5 is equals to 0. So this equation and this equation and this are identical. Only I have changed minus a as minus 6a plus 5a. Okay, which is equals to minus a. So take 6a common from here. So 6a common from here. So this is a minus 1 and 5 common from here. So this will be a minus 1 is equals to 0. So here a minus 1 is in both the brackets. So take that common, a minus 1, and it will be 6a plus 5 is equals to 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. So either we will have a minus 1 is equals to 0 or 6a plus 5 is equals to 0, because when the product of two expressions is 0, then either any one of the two expressions will be 0. Okay, so from here we are getting a value is 1 and from here we are getting a value is minus 5 by 6. But we have to find the value of x. So a is what? X cube. So x cube is equals to 1. So 1 is what? 1 cube. Okay, so x is equals to 1. Okay, from here. And here x cube is equals to minus 5 by 6. And from here what I will get? X value is cube root of minus 5 by 6, because x cube is minus 5 by 6. So x will be the cube root of minus 5 by 6. So how many? And this is also a real number. Okay, and this is also a real number. So how many values of x, which are the elements of real number, we have got from by solving this equation? We have got two real values of x. So the total number of distinct x. So the total number of distincts, okay, distincts x element of R we have got is equals to 2. So answer is 2. Okay, so I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.